Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we are going to be stripping down the Williams Superstar Playfield. We're going to strip it down. I got to rebuild all the pop bumpers, clean them up, put new coil sleeves in them, rebuild all these, do some touch-ups, clean up, a little everything. So first thing to do, let's get this top off and start from there. I took detailed pictures of everything I'm removing, so later on I can look at my pictures and see what's going on. So let's get started. What I'm going to use first is a little nut driver, and we're going to get these off. Alright, you see we got all the plastics off, And you just seen me take pictures of all the screw posts and where there's screws and where there's studs. So I want to make sure everything gets put back the right way, because this is going to be a puzzle. So we can remove all the rubbers because these are going to all get replaced. These are not needed anymore. Alright, now we're going to get to all the posts. I don't have a nut driver for that size yet. Probably too small. Let's get my socket set. That's probably right there. Quarter inch. Now these, I will be polishing all these up, get them all nice and clean again. They're kind of all just nasty because this machine is, what, 45 years old, something like that. I'm sure this is like the first time this thing's been really stripped down and taken care of in years. I bet you this might be the very first time. Took an extra picture of this one because it's got this little metal tab thing that keeps the ball from popping backwards on it. And I didn't notice that was part of the way it was set up. I'm gonna keep this with that. Hopefully it'll stay like that. Alright, now the pop bumpers. One screw on there. Alright, now these bases. These bases come out because I am putting new light sockets in there, and I can see I'm going to have to order 2 new bases too. This one's cracked. Magnet. one's cracked too. I might as well just order 4. I'm not gonna replace 2 and have 2 look goofy. These are all, I guess, kind of dry rotted from the heat. So yeah, might as well replace all 4. Alright, that's it for stripping down a playfield. My next video will be rebuilding the pop bumpers, the side bumpers here, cleaning all the switches, replacing all the light bulbs, waxing it, wiping it down, everything. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mark's Basement Arcade on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook at Mark's Basement Arcade. And thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Share the videos if you like them. And I guess see you again later. Bye.